Well, I got that little bit done just in time. As you can see, it is pouring down now. Hello all, welcome back. Thanks for your comments, subs and likes. I went to the horse stables yesterday and I'll show you what I picked up. So yeah, this was done yesterday when the weather was quite nice. Today, well, not so nice, it's raining, but I want to try and get my strawberry runners planted up in the trug that I'm going to put them in. So I will show you that today, get them planted I think, because then I can be inside the polytunnel doing that most of the time. Right, I was just moving these bricks, as you can see, put them in the wheelbarrow, but if you look at this lot, look at all these slugs. So I'm afraid I've been collecting all of this lot and they've been going for a swim because, yeah, there's way too many. So, like it or not, I'm getting rid of them because there is a lot of them. Right, I've cleared them bricks away, as you can see. It's still going to be a storage area, but it's going to be a lot more organised, if you can say that, by a storage area. But yeah, I'm probably going to move them bricks around or whatever, but yeah, it will be a lot neater. And as you've seen, I've got rid of a load of old rubbish and a load of old wood. I still need to burn that, but yeah. As well, I've started breaking up that brassica cage, and me being me, recycling as much as I can. So yeah, still got them to do as well. Take them apart and keep the netting as well. But yeah, we're getting there in the end. Little bits at a time, and then you'll soon get there. But I desperately need a bonfire. I've popped to the horse stables again. I was quite surprised actually, but yeah, I picked up 10 more bags of that horse manure. There's still loads left, so yeah, I'm not going to take any more. There's probably about 6 big bags left, so I just took the compost bags, the small ones, one big one there. But so what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to stack them horse manure along there, and I'm going to move them black bags in the front because that's older horse manure. Then I'm going to stack the bricks there. So I'll get you on a time lapse and we'll do that.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down.
As you've just seen, I moved all that manure. I've put these black bags in the front because they're obviously going to be used first because that's the oldest. But I have put bricks on top to try and keep, I need to do that one, so I have put bricks on top to keep them closed, and hopefully that'll keep a bit of the heat in when it starts heating up. But really, I want to move all this lot as well, but obviously I'm not going to show you that, so I will do that a little bit at a time, so at least I can have my path back and get these all stored up the top here and stacked up nicely, and it's going to be a less of a walk. But anyway, I'm probably going to put a row of the bricks in front of these or at the side of them. So yeah, I'll do that a little bit at a time. So I'll show you this once I've got a few more of that bricks and slabs back up here. I'm trying to keep it neat and tidy, if you know what I mean. These are the strawberries that I'm going to put on. So these are my neighbours. So I've only got 3 of them. But if you look on the bottom of the pots, they're starting to get pot bound. So them 3 from my neighbour, I'm going to put in a little tub like this. It's already got holes in at the bottom, as you can see. So I will just fill that up, I should say, and plant them 3 in there. And these 4 which are my runners, I'm going to put in a little trug like this. But I need to dig out the trug because I've put loads of stuff in it. There is a couple behind there, so I'll have to dig one of them out. But these are where I've been putting them slugs, and Robert said to put some salt in there, but as you can see, most of them have fallen in now, but there's a couple on the top. Oh, I'm not picking that up with my hand because it's all slimy and horrible, but they seem to have all fallen in the water and drowned, Wallace. Sorry about that if you're eating your dinner, but yeah, right. I'll get some gloves on and get that back in there. And then I will get a couple of them trugs out of there. Yeah, right at the back there. So I'll grab one of them out. Then I'll come back to you. I grabbed one of them trugs. Oh, look at that lot. We'll have to get rid of them. Loads of little snails in there as well. Nice big spider there, by the way. Look at that. Yeah. Right. I'll get rid of all these slugs and snails, shall we say, first. Then I will fill them up. I'm going to use my own compost and saved compost from the main compost bin. So I will get and fill up these, then I'll see you back in the polytunnel. Right, well, it's stopped raining, so I will do it out here. But all I'm gonna do is just put 4 strawberries in there like that. I'm gonna squeeze 3 in there like that. Right, I'll get these planted and then I'll come back to you. Right, I thought I'd show you the roots because they are definitely ready to be planted out. As you can see, the roots, it's starting to get pot bound. These ones that my neighbour gave me aren't so bad, but they're just starting to get pot bound. So right, I'll get and plant these and I'll come back to you. Right, that's them potted on. As you can see, I staggered these a little bit to give them a bit more room because it's quite a small pot for them. But yeah, what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab them 4 and put them up here because this is quite a sun trap. So I'll just grab the others and put them on there, I think. Right, that's all the strawberries up here now. These pine berries have started flowering already. But if you look, see that black bit in the middle there? Nothing is going to come of them black ones because they've been frosted. So you may as well take them off because they're not going to develop into strawberries because they've been frosted. So yeah, we've still got a few live flowers, if you want to call that, but it is quite early. But look at all that lot. Most of them has been frosted, so I'll get all these black ones off and then we'll see how we go later on in the year. Hopefully I'll get a few strawberries this year. I've moved the first lot of bricks from here. Ideally I want to try and get this pathway cleared this year so I can actually use it and possibly do a bit of mending on that bed there. But this is where I've been putting them at the moment, up out of the way. There you go. Organised mess, kind of. Put the bricks there, as you can see. And I've moved a load of my piping back there as well. But what I'm probably going to do with all this wood is put it in my wood storage shed to get that out of the way. But it's sort of getting organised, shall we say. Right, I've had another tidy up. I've got rid of all the pots that have been eaten by slugs or whatever. So, yeah. The kohlrabi's starting to get eaten as well now. So, I've had a little bit of a look around. I found a few snails and slugs and stuff, so I've got rid of them. The broad bean is doing rather well. That's got to be a couple of foot tall now, so that's good. So at least I'm going to get one broad bean anyway. But if you look at the broad beans, they have just started to come up, that one as well. So yeah, nothing on the French dwarf beans yet. So yeah, we'll have to see what happens with these because they're taking a bit of time. But yeah, I'm sure we'll get there in the end. I've checked my grass and it's dry enough to cut it, believe it or not. But the sky doesn't look too good, as you can see. So well, hopefully I'll get this all cut, but I will do this middle bit first. See how far we get. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Right, I'll get the mower out. Right, as you can see, I've got my mower turned over on its side, and because if you look at my grass, I don't think you can really tell, but it's very long. So what I'm gonna do is this is on the middle setting. So all I'm gonna do is move it right to this end one on all four wheels. Then it's going to cut it the highest it can cut it, and I will do that for a few cuts, and then I will change it back to the middle hole, because that's the cut that I done on the front lawn, because that was quite short already. So I'll do all four of these, and then I'll come back to you if I can get the bolt in. There you go. Right, I'll do the other two, then I'll set you up so you can see how much it takes off. Right, I just got that finished, and it's starting to rain now, so I've probably only got one little basket full of grass, but it has taken it down a little bit, as you can see. Right, I've got to get this mower away and stuff, so I'll come back in a sec. Well, it looks very patchy and all of that, but give it a couple of days and it'll be growing again. I'll show you what it looks like in a couple of days when it's started to grow back. But really I need to cut this bit as well, but obviously I can't do that now because we've just had a big downpour. But like I say, I'll bring you back in a couple of days and show you in the midweek video what it's like. As you've just seen, we've had a nice big downpour, so I won't be able to cut my grass. I've done quite a lot this week, so yeah, that's going to be it, I think. So thanks for watching, liking, and don't be shy, hit the subscribe. Right, catch you in the next one. Bye.